Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, July 5th. The Zen story for today is titled The Melting Snowflake. Snowflakes tumbled from the sky, setting softly on the ground. Haru ran through the winter fields, his breath rising in small clouds. He held out his hands, catching the delicate flakes, marveling at their perfect, intricate patterns. "Look how perfect they are," he exclaimed to his grandfather, who stood nearby watching. His grandfather chuckled. "Yes, but look again." Haru peered into his palm. The snowflake, once intricate and whole, was already dissolving. The warmth of his skin had melted it into a single drop of water. Frowning, Haru wiped his hand against his coat. "Why do they disappear so fast?" His grandfather placed his hand on Haru's shoulder. "Nothing stays as it is, Haru. But that doesn't mean it's lost." "But I wanted to keep it," the boy said, glancing up at the gray sky. The old man scooped up a handful of snow and patted it into a ball. "Then hold on to this instead." Haru took the snowball, feeling its weight in his hands. But as they walked home, he noticed something. Bit by bit, the ball was shrinking, water seeping through his fingers. By the time they reached the house, nothing remained but the coldness in his palm. He sighed. His grandfather only smiled. "See, you never lost it. It just changed." Haru stared at his empty hands for a long moment. Then he ran back outside and lifted his face to the falling snow, laughing as the flakes landed on his skin, melting instantly. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to settle, arriving in stillness. Maybe close your eyes gently and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften it. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. When thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Have you ever tried to capture a moment only to find it slipping away? Have you ever tried to capture a moment only to find it slipping away? If something is always changing, does it mean it's gone? If something is always changing, does it mean it's gone? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And also, make sure you check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen that you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.